guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is a very much needed maintenance day. I'll be changing the oil on the FRS and on the 240 today, and just checking on all the fluids, checking on everything. It's necessary to make your cars last, and the 240 is an old car, so it is needed. I'm gonna stop by AutoZone to pick up some oil, and then we're gonna head to Alonzo's shop. He's letting me use his shop to do the oil changes. I've never done the oil change other than on the floor with a jack. It's gonna be a lot easier today doing it on the lift. So shout out Lonzo. Tells me and my friends we could use the shop whenever. So now that I'm getting the 240 project started, I am gonna be going to his shop a lot. He has all the tools and space, so it's a lot easier for me to film it and just to get everything done. So whenever he has the free space that I could go to use it, I'm gonna take the opportunity to go do it. Most of my videos coming up, I'll probably be doing them at the shop. Man, the goal one day, you guys, is to own my own shop. I obviously plan to have a bunch of project cars, I hope, in the future. So that would be so sick to have my own shop and just have all my tools and have everything I need to work on my cars. But yeah, it would be so cool to have just a dedicated spot to work on the cars in the future. That would be so freaking awesome. That's the goal. That's the goal, and I'm gonna manifest it. So this is proof one day that one day I'll have it. And having a lift, oh my goodness, I've worked in the shop obviously a couple times, and having the lift is such a game changer. I'm not even gonna lie. But anyways, had no coffee, no caffeine today, so you know what's gonna save the day? I'm bringing a Dr. Pepper for the road. This is literally my definition of cracking a cold one. So cheers. I haven't changed the 240's oil since I got it, basically. That was a long time ago now, so we gotta do that. Granted, I don't drive it, so I am on top of the FRS's oil, because you guys already know Subaru engines, these boxer engines, do not last. I do change the oil every 5,000 miles. You want to be doing it every 4,000 miles, but I'm not gonna lie, I get lazy. So I'm about to hit 5,000 miles, so it's perfect timing to do this oil change. My car right now has 127,000 miles. Ah, that's so many. I remember when I hit 100,000, I was like, that's what these bash bars are for. You got a jack point now. Got the car lifted up. Lonzo's dumping out the oil so I could use the little catcher. Got my little ladder so I could climb up. You know, we got some Pennzoil for the 240 and an STP oil filter for the FRS. I just put a mobile one. Here we go. I normally don't need anything to take off this filter, but it's too hot. It's probably gonna be hot. Always does the trick. Oh, it's gonna be hot. I'm scared. I feel it though. It's hot. I'm scared. That's just hot. Ow. It's just like cooling down now. Woo. Look at the sunset. So pretty. I'm gonna go up now and change the filter.
Oh, no, never mind.
What a mess. Why do they think to put it there? That shit landed on my lip. It's the new lipstick color. Bug it. Now we gotta reset it. Best way to keep track of your miles, just do these little, if your car has it. I changed the trip back to 0. I'm so tired now. Got it done. Everything went by pretty smoothly. If you're seeing this video, this is your sign to go check on your car, make sure everything's good, go do the basic maintenance, keep that car on the road. I'm gonna be ending this video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.